Welcome back to A-Gang Adventures. On our final day at Disney, we take on the wild side of Disney as we explore Animal Kingdom.
It was a gator.
Girls, it's the last park day. Boo. That's no fun, is it?
You're gonna go ride?
So, it's the last park day. We're going to Animal Kingdom today. The girls should actually love it. Because, yeah, there's a dig area. We got an 8 a.m. genie plus safari. So, couldn't ask for a better safari there. We're gonna try to rope drop, not Navi, both Flight of Passage and the river ride. Because Marley will like the river ride and we'll like Flight of Passage. So, good compromise there. And then run over to the safari. Should be fun.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at the lines in the tree. Look at all the
cool.
animals. I think that's the coolest tree I've seen, actually. Yeah.
That one's pretty cool. Animal Kingdom! And tree life!
So as we're coming up on Pandora here, we started to get really worried because the line was just insane for Flight of Passage. But it turned out there was nobody in the queue, and so it just we walked straight through the queue, which was amazing. But we also wrapped in and around all of Pandora, and it was just really neat.
Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready.
Flight of Passage was really cool. It was a lot like Soarin', but you were riding a banshee. You could feel the banshee breathing. It kind of felt like you were sitting on a motorcycle. It had the smells, it was interactive, it was really neat. Don't know if I would wait in a really long line for it though.
On our way to the safari, we found Santa on a boat.
Hey, Santa!
Wow! Hey, little ones. Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful adventure today. Hi there. Merry Christmas. Hey, guys. Merry Christmas.
That worked out.
For your safety, please remain seated at all times, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the truck. That means we're not going to play two games, musical chairs or hot potato. If you have little ones with you, please don't pass them around the seats to see the animals. The storks, those wings are powerful. They can remain in flight for 24 consecutive hours. So we have hippos on either side of us now. We got a group of hippos over on the left that is called a bloat. Miles an hour, that's the average speed of a lion. And they have a powerful enough kick to break a lion's jaw.
He is hungry.
Now, just the patterns here. Again, they are related to the okapi. They have those super long prehensile tongues. Their tongues can grow to be about 18 inches long. That is the average length of an adult arm. So from the tip of your middle finger all the way to your elbow. Baby elephants might roll in the mud a little more often, and that's because when they're first born, they can't control their trunks for the first few months of life. They are still growing and they'll get food from their mothers. Around 7 to 8 months to a year is when their mothers or even other members of the herd will teach them how to use them so they can grab food on their own. So a lot of times when they're first born or even a few months later is when you might hear them trumpet the most, just because they really have no idea what to do with their trunks. As we go around, look very closely. You might have to squint just because of the sun, but you might see some younger flamingos. They're not much smaller, but they're not as pink as the other ones, and some might have a little gray patches to them still on their wings. They lay 1 egg per nesting season, and then it takes around 30 days or so for that egg to hatch. And then it takes almost 2 years for them to reach that pink color. As we make this turn here, we're officially entering big cat territory, and over on the left, there's a cheetah.
Cheetah!
Cheetahs are the fastest animal on land and can reach speeds of up to 70, but they can go to 60 in about 3 seconds.
Animal.
No, no.
Awesome. See, look, we got the right time.
Their claws are always out. It helps them to run that fast, and it gives them lots of traction. Their tail helps too. It acts as a rudder. But they are sprinters, not long-distance runners. Their bodies can only maintain that speed for the length of about 2 football fields before they start to overheat.
How big he is, you could definitely see how that looks like my daddy. And this one, that one down there is a small one. It's kind of dark, but that small one down there, this is, come on, what's the one? Down on me. No, you're the big, this is funny. See those 3 little small ones? That's Marley. One of those is Marley.
What about this one, T?
This one's mine.
You see this one?
Okay, yeah, that's definitely Patrick. Right there.
Which one's Annalisa?
Annalisa, you're this one because you have the little makeup.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, you're this fish right there, the blue one. And I'm this one, the gray one.
Alright.
Just like Epcot, Animal Kingdom has lots of live performances that highly encourage participation and dancing from everyone involved.
What's over there? What ride is it?
You see what?
Mine.
What ride is it? What is it called?
The dinosaurs?
My dino.
Your dino?
It's actually called the dino jumper.
That's what she's been doing.
Dumbo.
Yeah, you say
We'll
right.
go on it after we go play in the play set, okay?
Sound good?
I want to go dig.
You're going dig.
Dino Land. And your has a Santa hat. What do you want to ride?
Dumbo.
The one that's like Dumbo?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Dumbo.
Alright, let's go ride it.
Hey, you ride Dumbo.
Okay, go ride Dumbo. I know, it's not a ride.
So Marley named this ride Dino Dumbo. It was her favorite in the park by far. The other thing she really liked was the playground.
Alright, come on down. Say 1, 2, 3, go! Watch out, watch out! Alright, try it again. Let the little one by.
Happy holidays to all of you listening to WDNO Radio.
You want to check out the Jeep?
The girls absolutely loved taking a break and exploring a really cool dinosaur-themed playground and the dig area. There were shady bits, there were other kids, and it was just relaxing and kind of back to what they're familiar with.
I will say though, this was hard to keep track of the girls by myself while Kira and Mom were getting us lunch. So I definitely bring enough adults per kids to keep them out of trouble in this area.
Because it's really big, which is awesome, but they can easily split up.
The good news though is they cannot get outside of this area without an adult. After lunch we came back and we came to this area and let the girls dig around and play while we digested.
We also had some time to kill while we waited for our Genie Plus for Everest.
No, that was Mommy and Nana and Sissy. Yeah, Pappy likes this one. He'd ride that. Would he ride that? Yes, absolutely.
So Tegan absolutely loved this ride, but fun fact, she had no idea that it would go backwards until it was actively going backwards. Before she got on, Drew looked at her and said, "Hey, I think there's a surprise or something cool about this ride. Can you let me know what it was?" So the whole time she's like, "I gotta figure out what the surprise is, what the something cool is to tell Daddy." And as we're going backwards, she goes, "This was it!" Which was funny.
The sound of Dinoland USA.
So last ride at Disney, what are we gonna ride?
Which one are we riding? That one. Dino Dumbo. That's Dumbo.
What's it called, Marley?
Dumbo.
Dumbo. T, you ready for our last ride at Disney?
Tegan is tired.
What's our last ride at Disney?
Dino Dumbo.
Dino Dumbo.
Animal Kingdom was a good last park to hit. It was kind of laid back. We did rope drop it, but it was like a later start. And the girls were done. They were tired. Dad and Haley were actually pretty sick, so they didn't even come in to Animal Kingdom this day. But we made the best of it. We had fun. And in case you were worried, Marley did absolutely fall asleep again in the park, this time on the Navi River journey.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I also hope you enjoyed the compilation of Marley passed out cold at Disney.